The Frog Song, page number 5 of the Yellow Book. This piece requires you to play notes on open D string, which is this string, open D, first finger E, second finger F sharp, and third finger G, all again on the D string. We have quarter notes as well as half notes, which requires you to lengthen the bow, save the bow until you get 2 beats. So let's start from the beginning. And I position myself so that you can watch my fingering. In playing position, my thumb is placed right here. I have a nice hole underneath my thumb, and my fingers are hovering over the fingerboard. I place my bow at the frog right here near the bridge, and we're going to use the entire length of the bow. Here we go after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, 3, 4, freeze for a few seconds, then put your violin down.